We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone stuck on the red battery charging screen. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying as you're then unable to use it. So we've got some different fixes you can try. So if you didn't know, this means the iPhone has run out of battery and that it needs charging. So make sure you have gone and charged it for a bit. If you're finding that doesn't solve it though, what you want to try doing is using a different cable. Try using a different wall adapter, wall outlet, and even little adapter that I have here. The best thing I found doing is just sometimes charging it from another device, as there could be a problem with that there. So you plug this in to another device and then plug it in here. Go and see if that charges. If you're finding that it's still not working, with it charging, what you need to do is a force restart. So what you're going to need to do is press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap the side power button. Now you want to go and keep this held down for around 10 to 20 seconds. As often, it can be some type of software problem keeping it stuck here. And so when that time passes, you can try releasing it and then hopefully it'll go and work. But otherwise, what you can do is you can go and get into the next method, as it hasn't solved it for me. So what you need to do is go and unplug it just for now. And we need to go and remove the case like this. Fill the back of the phone. If you're finding that it's really hot, don't do this. Let it cool down, as that's why it's not charging. But if you're finding that it's normal or cold, we're going to try warming it up. So you get yourself a hairdryer and go and start hair drying it, or put it in the sun, or just another warm heat source. Don't let it get really, really hot. That is going to damage it. But we want to go and warm it up essentially. So after you've got it a bit warmer, then what you want to try doing is charging it again. Hopefully it'll then come on. If it still won't, you can try doing another forced restart as I showed you. You can see the iPhone has now come back on and it's charging. If you found this useful, then leave a like.